In today's financial landscape, credit cards have evolved beyond mere spending tools. They can be strategic assets that put money back into your pocket. By selecting the right cards and using them wisely, you can earn cash back, travel rewards, and other perks that effectively make you money. Credit cards offer various reward structures, primarily categorized into cash back, points, and miles. Cash back cards return a percentage of your spending as cash, while points and miles can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or statement credits. For instance, the Citi Double Cash Card provides 2% cash back on all purchases, 1% when you buy, and another 1% when you pay off the balance. Understanding these structures helps in choosing a card that aligns with your spending habits. Imagine earning rewards every time you shop, dine, or travel. It's like getting paid to spend. But remember, the key is to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. So, are you ready to turn your credit card into a money-making tool? Start exploring your options today and make your spending work for you. To truly benefit, align your credit card usage with your regular expenses. If you frequently dine out, a card like the Capital One Saver. 1. Cash Rewards. Credit card offers 3% cash back on dining and entertainment. For grocery shopping, the Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express provides 6% cash back at U.S. supermarkets. By channeling routine purchases through these cards and paying off balances monthly, you can accumulate substantial rewards over time. Imagine earning cash back on the things you already buy. It's like getting rewarded for living your life. So, which card will you choose to maximize your rewards? Start aligning your spending today and watch those rewards grow. Many credit cards entice new users with sign-up bonuses, offering significant rewards after meeting a minimum spending requirement within a specified period. For example, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card offers a substantial bonus that can be redeemed for travel or other expenses. These bonuses can be a lucrative way to earn extra value, especially when timed with planned large purchases. Beyond cash back, certain credit cards provide travel-related benefits that can lead to savings. The Capital One Venture Rewards. Credit card, for instance, offers 2x miles on every purchase, which can be redeemed for travel expenses. Additionally, some cards grant access to airport lounges, travel insurance, and no foreign transaction fees, enhancing your travel experience while saving money. So, whether you're planning a big purchase or a trip around the world, choosing the right credit card can make a significant difference. Which card perk are you most excited about? Or are you ready to start planning your next adventure? While the rewards are enticing, it's crucial to use credit cards responsibly to truly make money from them. Always pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges that can negate your rewards. Keep track of spending to stay within budget and avoid unnecessary debt. By strategically selecting cards that match your spending patterns and using them judiciously, credit cards can be a powerful tool to enhance your financial well-being. By understanding reward structures, aligning card choices with spending habits, leveraging sign-up bonuses, and using cards responsibly, you can transform everyday purchases into opportunities for financial gain. Remember, the key is strategic use and disciplined repayment to ensure that your credit cards are working for you, not against you.